Has delegating work in your agency ever felt harder than just doing it yourself? Or maybe you know that you should be handing things over, but something keeps pulling you back to the day-to-day. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to walk through how to delegate with confidence so you can free up your time, stay focused on growth, and still maintain the quality your clients expect. Hi, I'm Leanne, Head of Marketing here at Globital. Welcome to all the new digital agency owners joining us for the first time on Globital TV. And welcome back if you're one of the agency owners who regularly use our channel as a source of ideas and inspiration. If you are interested in practical tips on how to build a better digital marketing agency, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to delegate with confidence so you can free up your time, stay focused on growth, and get more done inside your agency. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you find hardest to delegate in your business. Let's get started. Running a digital agency means you're balancing delivery, client communication, and growth. All of this quickly fills up your capacity. Delegation can help you bridge that gap, but it only works when you approach it with the right mindset and structure. Identify what only you should be doing. Before you start handing off tasks, get clear on where your time actually matters most. As an agency owner, your highest value usually sits in two areas: strategy and decision-making, and client relationships and growth. Everything else becomes a candidate for delegation. When you start looking at your to-do list through that lens, it becomes so much easier to see what you can hand over without losing control of your business. Start small and build trust over time. One of the biggest blockers to delegation is the fear that things will not be done properly. So instead of handing over something critical straight away, start with lower risk tasks and build from there. This gives you confidence in the person you are working with and a clearer understanding of how to communicate your expectations. Whether you're working with a VA, a freelancer, or an internal team member, trust is built through consistency, not assumption. Delegate outcomes, not just tasks. A common mistake is focusing only on what needs to be done instead of what success actually looks like. When you delegate, take the time to explain what the final result should achieve and why it matters in the bigger picture. This changes how people approach the work. Instead of just completing a task, they start contributing to an outcome, which naturally improves quality and ownership. Create simple, repeatable systems. Delegation becomes so much easier when your processes do not live in your head. Even a basic system can make a big difference, whether that's a checklist for a recurring task or a shared tool for tracking progress. This reduces back and forth, speeds up onboarding, and gives you more consistency across your work. And over time, these small systems become the foundation that allows your agency to scale. Set clear expectations early. Clarity removes friction. Be upfront about timelines, quality standards, and how you would like the work to be delivered. This reduces misunderstandings and makes feedback more objective and easier to act on. The more specific you are at the start, the less time you spend correcting things later. Let go of the "I'll just do it myself" mindset. This is the part most agency owners do not talk about, but is often the real challenge. Doing everything yourself can feel faster and safer in the moment, but over time it limits your growth and keeps you stuck in execution instead of leadership. Delegation is not about losing control, but about creating space to focus on the parts of your business that actually move it forward. Delegating your service delivery. As your agency grows, you may find that things like copywriting, web design, SEO, or even newer areas like GEO start taking up more time than you can realistically manage without stretching your team too thin. Instead of hiring and training for every new service, you can partner with a team that already has these skills, systems, and capacity in place. That means you can expand your offering without increasing internal complexity and deliver consistent quality while staying focused on your strategy, clients, and growth. At Globital, we support agencies with a wide range of white label services, from copywriting and web design to SEO, GEO, and more, so you can scale your delivery in a way that feels sustainable and controlled. Get in touch with us using the link below for help. Delegating with confidence is less about finding the perfect person and more about building the right approach. When you get clear on your role, communicate outcomes, and put simple systems in place, delegation becomes a natural part of how your agency operates. And that is where you start to see real momentum. more capacity, better focus, and a business that is not fully dependent on you to function. If you're looking for support in building out your team, get in touch with us below. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more practical tips on how you can grow and scale your agency with confidence.